Welcome to Monson Made This. I am Michael and I make weekly vegan YouTube videos. If you're looking for those, you're in the right place, so go ahead and click that subscribe button below. Today I have a bit of a bonus video for you. I'm going to be going through my videos from last year. We have 84 videos on my channel right now, so I'm going to be going through and basically pulling out 10 videos or 10 recipes that I think are really great, that deserve a mention and maybe a little bit more views, because some of these videos I think have kind of limited views when they're incredible recipes that I think you all should be trying and making. So I'm gonna be going through this list of 10. They're in no particular order, but I thought 10 was a nice number to give you. So I'm gonna be going through and telling you a little bit about these recipes, showing you some of the glamour shots from those videos, and then I'll of course have all of the links below so that you can go and check those out for yourself and get the recipe. As always, all the recipes are on my website, monsonmadethis.com. So while I'm counting down these videos, again, it's not really a countdown, it's just a list of 10, but while I'm going through this list of 10 videos, I've got a bunch of leftovers here in front of me that I'm going to be attempting to turn into some type of dish. So I'll let you know what that is by the end. So stick around and let's talk about some videos. The first recipe video that I want to talk about is my homemade pasta video. Sounds like it's difficult to make homemade pasta, but really super easy, just a few ingredients, food processor, you've got it. The kicker though with that particular video is the sauce. It's a hazelnut, olive oil, and garlic sauce. It is amazing, easy to make, and it's definitely something that'll impress your loved one for Valentine's Day of 2019. While I'm going through these videos with you, I'm also shredding up some trumpet mushrooms. This is very similar to the way that I treated the mushrooms in my walking taco video, which is not on this list, even though it's a great one. But the second video that I wanted to bring up to you that I think you definitely should watch are my pizza buns video. And it was inspired by Hot Pockets, which I don't know if there's any vegan Hot Pockets. I guess there's a couple store brands that I've tried that I don't really love. But anyways, with some store-bought or homemade pizza dough, ingredients, you just put them into balls, bake them. They're amazing, and they also freeze really well, so if you have people that need to take lunches to work or school, it's a great thing just to pop in the freezer and then pop out when you're ready to eat them. So go ahead and check out that video as well. The third video that I want to mention is my garlic noodles video. Now, this is kind of a Thai-inspired dish that's kind of like a drunken noodle, but it's just really easy to throw together with ingredients that you should have on hand in your pantry, and it's kind of my go-to dish when I'm craving Thai food, but don't necessarily want to go out and get takeout or go eat at a restaurant. So check out that video if you're looking for a really great Thai-inspired noodle dish that's, again, just super easy to throw together. The fourth video I think you should check out is my Enchilada Suiza bake video. Now it's kind of interesting because I made tortillas with chickpea or garbanzo bean flour, so the dish is pretty much gluten-free, but it's so full of flavor, so creamy, so unctuous, and actually really healthy, made with mostly plant-based ingredients. So check that video out if you haven't yet. All right, well, my mushrooms are done. I just sauteed them a little bit in some olive oil with some dry rub that's also in that walking taco video. But the next video I want to mention here, my fifth video, that's one of my favorites of all time, which is seriously underrated, and that is the orange creamsicle pancake video. These pancakes were inspired by Ben's favorite breakfast restaurant item that I can't eat because I'm vegan, and I made them with this homemade Bisquick type of mix. These pancakes are so good, so flavorful, and taste just like an orange creamsicle. So definitely watch that video and make those pancakes. Video number 6 is another video that was inspired by one of Ben's favorite dishes, but not only could I not eat it because it had chicken, but he couldn't eat it anymore because Wendy stopped carrying it. And that is the ghost pepper chicken sandwich made with oyster mushrooms. This thing is so incredible. I actually served it to family for Thanksgiving dinner, and it's just deep fried oyster mushrooms, a really spicy ghost pepper sauce, a cheese sauce. It is just one of the best sandwiches I have ever had in my entire life, and I made it, and it's vegan, so definitely watch that video and check out that recipe as well. Number 7 is what I'm calling The Last Dinner in Rome, and it is inspired by a dinner scene at the end of the novel Call Me By Your Name, and it's an epic feast that I made, creating a portobello mushroom roast and these amazing mushroom tortellini, which are probably my favorite part of the entire meal, as well as a antipasto platter made with grilled vegetables. Video is a little bit long, but the recipes in it are all super solid and amazing. So check out that video. And again, you have to make those recipes, particularly the tortellini, which are actually made with wonton wrappers. So spoiler alert. Video number 8 is for Dan noodles. Now, this is another dish that couldn't get in a restaurant anymore because that restaurant closed down, plus the original version wasn't vegan. So I made a vegan version of these Dan noodles and they are so good. The recipe was a little bit experimental. Then I let him do what he wanted with the video. So a lot of people had some feelings about the video not being my normal style, but I think it's a beautiful video and the recipe is a beautiful recipe. So check out the video, give it a thumbs up because it is really good, and make the recipe, make those Dan noodles, they're incredible. Video number 9 is for coconut soup or Thai tom kha soup. The recipe's super easy. It's a veganized version of an old Paula Deen recipe I found online a long time ago. The video I made myself in the top-down style, kind of experimenting with that. People seem to like the videos where I talk to you directly more than the top-down style, but I was experimenting. But the bottom line is that coconut soup is amazing and you need to try it. Video number 10, again, in no particular order, is my Korean Bulldak. And instead of chicken, I used soy curls, which work so perfectly as a chicken substitute. It's just a really spicy, savory dish, and it's covered with a bunch of melted vegan cheese. It is so good. You have to try it. If you've never had Bulldak, this is a great introduction. If you haven't been able to have it since you have gone vegan, then this is also a great recipe for you, so check it out. So those are the 10 videos I really think you need to check out this year if you haven't yet already. If you're new to this channel, a new subscriber, those are just some of my favorite videos that I shot over 2018. And as I go and put my quesadilla here, that's I guess the word I'll use for it, kind of a beanadilla. I've got refried beans and sauteed mushrooms and vegan cream cheese and follow your heart vegan cheese and cilantro. So as I grill this here, I just want to give an honorable mention to a couple other videos. One that I made back in 2017, which seems so far away, but these Asian nacho cups, it's a little appetizer dish that I made. It's definitely one of my favorite dishes ever that I've ever put on the channel, and it just didn't really get much traction, didn't get much love. I don't know if people didn't like the thumbnail or what it is, but check out that video if you haven't yet already. There's also a couple videos that have done really well, such as my sushi videos and the air fryer video, which just keep climbing and climbing. So thanks to all of you that have watched that. And if you haven't checked out any of the sushi videos, those are definitely really great videos to check out. So 2019 is gonna be amazing. I'm really looking forward to the new content in the next year, and lots of great recipes and videos to come. So stick around. Again, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. Share these videos if you like them. If you do make any of the recipes, tag me on Instagram, share pictures. I love to see what you all do, and I'll probably even share them as well on there. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna show you the final product here in the glamour shots so you can see what I'm about to eat. And yeah, I'll see you next time with a recipe video.